Hi, this is Ms. White, and welcome to Unit 2, NaNoWriMo. National, No, Novel, Writing, Mo, Month. National Novel Writing Month, NaNoWriMo. It's in November, but we're going to start our novels, our books, this month so that we're ready to go when November 1st starts. Here's what you're going to do. So I put the Unit 2 pacing tracker and map at the top. Your NaNoWriMo workbook has got it all. NaNoWriMo is something that people do all around the world, adults, kids, and there's a program for young novelists. You guys are young novelists, so this was developed by the NaNoWriMo people. A lot of them who are writers who have real books, and this is to try to help you figure out your book. Let me read you the welcome letter. Hello novelists, welcome to our month-long novel writing challenge. Please accept this mega high five and virtual ice cream sandwich from us. You might be feeling excited or maybe nervous. You might be thinking to yourself, wait a second, self, what did I just sign up for? Don't you need to be a famous author to write novels? The answer, our friend, is no. Anyone can write a novel. You don't even have to know how to write a novel to write a novel. You just need a few ideas, time, and something to write with. It's as simple as that. Think of it like building a Lego spaceship from scratch. When the pieces are spread out on the ground, the job seems impossible. But if you work piece by piece and don't get discouraged, before you know it, you've built an entire ship. When you break a big job into smaller jobs, anything is possible. If you're still feeling nervous, don't worry. We've put together this nifty workbook to guide your novel writing journey. We'll help you create unique characters, build cities with the power of your imagination, and come up with a story that's exciting enough to write about for a month straight. No matter how many words you write in the end, you're doing an amazing thing just by giving yourself a goal and setting out to achieve it. Basically, we think you're the coolest kid on the block, novelist, and we can't wait to see what you dream up. Good luck from all of us here at NaNoWriMo. Okay, so this next section is planning your novel. And I'm going to read this to you too because I think it's really important when you're writing your first novel. Put away your inner editor. Put on your creator crown. Before you begin your noveling adventure, you might want to put your inner editor away where they can't bother you. What's an inner editor? They're the nagging voice in your head that tells you when you misspell a word or don't use the right punctuation. They can get grumpy too and say mean things like how your story isn't interesting or you're not a good writer. Sometimes your inner editor is helpful, like if you're taking a test or if you need a sentence to be perfect. But NaNoWriMo isn't about being perfect. It's about being brave. The point is to explore your imagination and just write. If you don't put your inner editor away, it might pop up during your month of writing, trying to get you to erase everything and start over. You can bring them back when you're ready to edit your novel, but for now, your inner editor needs to be sent away on vacation. Bye-bye. All right, so imagine that you are taking your inner editor and basically throwing them in the trash can for now, and you can pick it up later. Okay, what you're going to do today, and you can see this in the Unit 2 map, is you are going to do this section called Grow a Story Idea. The side quest is going to be other parts of this notebook. So if you finish early, you should do one of these things. And we're not going to be playing games. If you finish early, I do want you to do the side quests or the mini games. So how do you find this stuff? Okay. See here that it says grow a story idea? You can look at the very beginning of this document and see this link, grow a story idea. Click. Okay. So, what are you going to write about? Today you're going to brainstorm some ideas. Maybe you know exactly the story you want to tell, or maybe you have no clue. We can help. First, make a list of people, places, and things that make you feel excited or curious. You can also list things you loved about any favorite books you might have. Some of our examples are dreams, ghosts, road trips, the circus, mysteries, heroes with secret identities, dogs, princesses, baking, contests, video games with quests, bicycles, outer space, and spies. Try to write at least 10 in this box. Things that make you feel excited or curious. Okay, then you're gonna highlight 9 things from this list that you'd be excited to write about. You can write these down on little pieces of paper and draw random ones, or you can just try combinations. So pretend that I wrote, I'm interested in UFOs, I'm interested in ghosts, I'm interested in communes. That's when people live together in kind of like an interesting way, like everybody shares like responsibility for taking care of the kids, blah, blah, blah. Okay, pretend I have enough, like I have 10. I could say my first idea is UFOs, ghosts in a commune. So my book could be if these things happen in this place, like you're putting 3 together, that would be like an interesting story. You have to come up with 3 different combinations. And you're gonna pick your favorite from here and free write to explore the idea and help it grow. You can use sentences like, I wonder, what if, or it would be interesting, cool, super weird if. For example, an idea that included ghosts, mysteries, and dogs could lead to something like, what if the ghost of a detective teamed up with a dog to solve a mystery? I wonder if the mystery is about how the detective ended up being a ghost. Can the dog talk? Or maybe it's psychic. That would be cool. Okay, so in this box, you're writing sentences like that about one of these from there. And that's it. If you're still stuck, you can click on this link to find out more information. And again, if you finish early, you're gonna search for these, what makes a novel, back at the top. Sorry if this video was a little boring, but I just want to show you how this document's gonna work. You're gonna keep clicking turn in, and then I'll look at your work. I'll kick it back to you. I'll say like whether you mastered it on your pacing tracker, and then we'll turn it in again when you've done the next thing. Thanks for watching. Bye.